Our sun is a giant ball of burning gas. It releases an incredible amount of energy. This energy travels to Earth as light and heat. We can harness this energy. We use solar panels to make it work for us. Solar energy is a powerful force. It can help us power our world. Fossil fuels pollute our planet. They release harmful gases. These gases cause climate change. Solar energy offers a clean alternative. It can help protect our planet. Switching to solar is a smart choice for a sustainable future. Solar panels are made of special materials. These materials are called semiconductors. Silicon is a common semiconductor used in solar panels. When sunlight hits a solar panel, something amazing happens. The energy from the sunlight knocks electrons loose in the semiconductor material. These loose electrons create a flow of electricity. This process is called the photovoltaic effect. The photovoltaic effect is the magic behind solar panels. It allows us to turn sunlight directly into usable electricity. A solar panel is made up of many small units called solar cells. Each solar cell generates a small amount of electricity. These cells are connected together in a grid. The grid allows the electricity to flow. Solar panels also have protective layers. These layers shield the delicate solar cells from damage. This ensures the solar panel can withstand the elements and last for many years. The electricity generated by the solar panel can then be used to power our homes and businesses. Solar energy has many advantages. Solar energy is a renewable resource. It will never run out. It helps reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. Solar energy is also very versatile. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops, in fields, or even on clothing. As technology advances, solar panels are becoming more efficient and affordable. Solar energy is a key part of a sustainable future. It allows us to power our world without harming our planet. Let's embrace this clean and abundant source of energy. Together, we can create a brighter future for generations to come.